This morning, we're waiting to see what will happen with the economy after U.S. stocks took a nosedive yesterday. The Dow closing down nearly 900 points, its worst single-day drop since 2022.
Natalie had data in the newsroom this morning on where the market stands right now.
Hey, good morning to you both. Looking at the stock market numbers this morning, they remain low. Numbers began to drop yesterday after President Trump said the world's biggest economy was in, quote, a period of transition when asked about a potential recession. Take a look at where some of the stock in the U.S. currently stands. The Dow down almost 900 points, NASDAQ down 727, S&P 500 down 155 points, or nearly 3%. Now, this comes as President Trump enters trade wars with some of our closest trading partners, Mexico, Canada, and China, where we've also seen some stock market woes. And it's possible we'll see these numbers change again today, even tomorrow, when new tariffs on steel and aluminum are set to go into effect. Economy experts say America's economy may be headed downhill, but Republicans on Capitol Hill say not to worry.
If the U.S. imposes tariffs to the degree that the president has been talking about and maintains them for more than a few months, I think a recession will be unavoidable.
Everybody relax. It's going to be okay.
Tomorrow's tariffs on aluminum and steel could mean that by Memorial Day, Americans will be paying more for everything from washing machines and toasters to canned goods and cars. So we'll just have to wait and see. Matt?
Thank you so much, Natalie. The markets are feeling the pressure this morning, as Natalie mentioned, with banks and brokerages taking a hit. Westlake-based Charles Schwab dropped nearly 5% as new tariffs loom. President Trump has paused some tariffs against Canada and Mexico, but has threatened to tax Canadian lumber, a critical material for the U.S. housing industry. The U.S. relying on Canada for a quarter of its lumber supply. And if tariffs go into effect, building costs could skyrocket.
Oh, it's stressful. How much is it going to go up by? We don't really know. Even though the tariffs haven't hit, my subs are already telling me, the cost of it might go up, and that concerns me.
And the National Association of Home Builders praised the Trump administration, however, for delaying some tariffs, but they're pushing to exempt construction materials from future taxes. Local developers say that they're bracing for the unknown, and home prices could be next to climb. From homes to cars, in our latest episode of Y'all-itics, Arlington Mayor Jim Ross explains why Texans could pay up to $20,000 more for vehicles if tariffs kick in April 2nd. Scan your screen. It's out now. You can watch Y'all-itics every Wednesday night at 8:30 on WFAA+, and it's free to download on your TV.